Hello. Welcome back to Jackson Draws. If you like Harry Potter, then this video is made for you. Today we are going to draw Dobby, the house elf that Harry sets free. I hope you like it. This. Have fun. So first we are going to draw Dobby's head. We're going to do a curve. That's simple. Next, we are going to do a line out on each side for his long ears. Next, we're going to curve, and then a smooth bump. Like this. Same with the other side. Curve, and then get it into a bump. See? It's that easy. Next, we are going to connect these two ears with a curve. There. Next, we are going to do Dobby's clothes, which is actually made out of a pillowcase. So first, we are going to draw a line down that can be wiggly, and then a line however you want down, and then a wiggly line up. And now we're going to draw where his neck goes, where they cut out of the pillowcase. There. Now to make it look like a pillowcase, I am just going to add some lines anywhere. See? Now for Dobby's hand, I am going to do a curve and a line inside the curve. Because in Harry Potter and the Chamber of the Secrets, Dobby is hiding all the letters he stealed from Harry Potter. And the same on the next side. Curve and then a line. So now I am going to draw Dobby's face. I am going to draw two curves, which looks like Dobby sleeping. It definitely looks like Dobby sleeping. Next, I am going to draw a line out, a curve for Dobby's real eyes. And then for his pupils, I'm going to draw curves inside and then color the tiny curves. And then Dobby's big nose, I am going to do a J and then a backwards J. See? That's simple. Next, I am going to do Dobby's phrase of showing Harry the proof, which is a frowny face. So all you do is turn your paper upside down, draw a smiley face, and turn it back right side up. There. Dobby's face. Next, I am going to draw his legs. So first I am going to draw two lines on the left and two lines on the right, which are the same size. Next, I am going to draw a backward C and a C, like this. Then I'm going to extend this out, the left side out on this foot and connect this in. On this foot, I extend the right side, the left side I mean, and you extend the right side on this, the left side on this, and then connect. There. And now, if you want, you can make Now, if you want, when you're done, you can draw Dobby with a circle mouth like this. You can draw Dobby with a circle mouth, and then instead of his eyes being all gloomy like this, you can draw his eyes wide open with his eyebrows wide up. And then instead of these arms, you can draw lines out on one of them, and then draw a sock, which Harry Potter put into Tom Riddle's book, gave it to Lucius Malfoy, and who gave it to Dobby, who saw the sock, and then he was free. You could add all those adjustments, and then you could add a word bubble saying, "Master has given Dobby a sock. Dobby is a free elf." Now to color it. First, I am going to use brown to make this pillowcase, which is Dobby's clothes, have more shadow detail. So I am going to trace the very bottom of it like this. And now I am just going to trace the lines to make it look like some shadows, or it's folded. Now I'm going to do the same thing with this side. There. Now Dobby's clothes have more detail. Next, I'm going to color Dobby's eyes, and I am going to use blue. So I'm going to color everything except Dobby's pupils. Actually, you can color them in. And now, since it's kind of hard to see it, you can color his pupils in even more to make it stand out. There. Now, to color Dobby, I am going to use pink. So first I'm going to color this U in Dobby's clothes. Next I'm going to color his face, except his eyes. Now his arms, and now his legs. There. There you have it. Dobby, the house elf. There's Dobby. There you have it. There's Dobby, the house elf. Hope you have fun. I hope you had fun drawing Dobby. See you next time.